Kamusta mga kaugatak? Today is a very special day dahil meron tayong ride dito sa Marinduque and meron tayong makakasama. For the very first time, meron tayong makakasama mag-ride. Taga rito rin sila sa Marinduque, mga riders. And literal, hindi pa namin sila nakikilala. Manggagaling sila sa Buwak, nag-meet up na sila doon. So hinihintay na lang natin sila dito sa Buena Vista. Okay? So hintayin lang natin sila. See you later.
Boss Elaber, sa vlog mo?
Ay oo, nakaka-chat ko si Elaber.
Yung baliktad na harabi ba yun?
Ay, biyahe ni Ebaraj, sir. Shout out, Sir Hartman Bullis Photography. Ito sa mga niniyot dito sa Marinduque. Dito kami naghintay kasi yung open area eh. Baka
Dito po kayo nag-ano? Natikit mo ba kasi na dito?
siguro, hindi ko pa sila nakikilala eh. Oo, ngayon pa lang namin sila makikita talaga eh. Sige. Nakakatuwa naman. Hartman Bullis Photography.
May namimitik na kami nakilala dito.
Yes, may maniniyot na kaming nakilala dito sa Marinduque.
Foods. Jen, pasensya na ha. Pero they will...
Oh, sila na yun. Sir, taga po kayo lahat, sir?
Oo.
Mga big boys pala na tala nyo eh. Pala.
Darul, Atan. Pinapista ka din yan, no?
Oh, dyan lang po. Ay, namimitik daw siya eh.
Biglang bayag.
Okay. Mga big boys pala to, MT-07.
Sa
Oh, Suzuki.
pwede po picture kayo lahat, isa-isa po. Paano yung poster?
Jean! Ayan si Jean, naka-R3. Ayan o, inabangan tayo ni Sir Hitman Bullis. Hitma. Ay. Hartman Bullis. Thank you so much. Shout out sa'yo, sir. Hartman Bullis Photography. Malalaking motor pala itong dala nito. Sabi R15. Wala namang R15. kami nanghihintay ito eh.
Dire-diretso.
Hoy, ang ganda picture na natin.
Marami kayo na nakaraan ah. Ano? Arpe, no? Oo, mga ar. Arsero.
Angat ko ng konti yung sa akin.
Kung sa akin man din nakaganyan. Tulak. Heavyweight.
Okay, gusto kami kumain dito sa Handon Lomi House.
Pinaikot-ikot at dinurog-durog.
Oh, lakas oh! Oh! Let's go!
Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strummed that guitar every day. Found a passion for music, never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows. Tried to impress the girl in the front row. But soon enough, everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make it real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane. But yo, whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and every single lyric. My whole identity depended on being artistic. Now you wanna strip that away, so you feel okay? Cause if I make it to the top, what does that really say? That you shouldn't have given up, that you made the mistake? But if I fail, you feel much better about picking your lane, right?
Hello, Nanay. Hello guys, dito kami ngayon sa Sibuyao, Marinduque. Punta natin mga kasama natin. Pupunta tayo dun sa tuktok ng bundok. Ganda dito oh. Guys, tingnan nyo yung view. Dang! Look at this. Oh, madaming bomb squad. Whoa! Are you seeing this, guys? Are you seeing this? Andun, may view, may dagat doon. Andun yung dagat na part. So, mula doon sa baba, nag-ride kami papunta dito sa taas. And here we are. Meron din dito sa kabilang side, puro bundok. Oh! Ewan ko kung kita sa camera, pero parang malabo itong place. Siguro fog yun, or ulap na halos. Wow! Woo! Hinigal na ako.
Okay, I'd rather be dead on the outside than inside. A bullet to the head than 25 to life in a cubicle alone, just trying to get by, building someone else's dream instead of building mine. If you're hearing me, this is meant to inspire. If you have a dream or if you have desires, a girl in your life that's making you feel that fire, go fight for her man, go die for her man, cause you only have one life, one chance to do it.
Shout out. Good morning, so. Good morning.
Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view. We're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose. 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 I won't give up, I won't back down till I'm lying 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. I won't give up, I won't back down till I'm lying 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. You ain't gonna stop me now, because I got this now. I got the formula and I'm about to drop it loud. So what we talking about? There is no talking now. We take action with passion, we're rocking now. It's tick-tocking now, the clock's talking down. And all I hear is haters try so hard to talk me down. But they can't stop the sound, already on the ground. Everything is growing faster than I can count. You ain't gonna stop me now, because I got this now. I got the formula and I'm about to drop it loud. So what we talking about? There is no talking now. We take action with passion, we're rocking now. It's tick-tock